Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamela and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing super creamy and a different style of recipe for cooking mutton. It's a traditional dish that was made by the Afghan people. Tender pieces of mutton cooked in a creamy sauce which tastes delicious with naan. So let's see how to make it. In a pressure cooker, add 500 grams mutton, 1 tablespoon onion paste, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon salt. Give this a nice mix. Goes in 1 cup water. Close the lid and pressure cook for 4 whistles till mutton becomes tender. Now blend handful of coriander leaves, 4 green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now close the lid and blend it to a fine puree and set this aside. Now I'll open the pressure cooker and I'm going to add 3 tablespoon oil and fry till mutton becomes golden brown. In a bowl, add green mixture, one cup fresh cream, 1 cup curd, and now give this a nice mix. 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon white vinegar. Mix this nicely and now I'm going to add half cup water. Give this a nice mix and set this aside. In a pan, add 2 tablespoon butter or ghee. Once it melts, pour the green mixture and now add 1 tablespoon roasted kasuri methi. Give this a very nice mix. And now cook this for 10 to 12 minutes in a slow flame. Half close the lid. Once done, add half teaspoon salt. Adjust as per your taste. And now I'm adding the cooked mutton. Mix this nicely. And now I'm going to close the lid and cook this for 5 minutes in a slow flame. Once done, switch off the flame. Now place a bowl and give a charcoal smoke and leave it for 5 minutes. So guys, Afghani mutton gravy is ready to serve with roti or naan. This mutton recipe is mildly spicy and very easy to make. You don't need onion, tomatoes and other stuffs. I'm so sorry I'm sounding dull. I'm coming down with something, but I can't wait to share this recipe with you all. Hope you will give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. If you make recipes from our channel, make sure to post it and tag it on our Instagram page shimmies.kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care, stay healthy and have a nice day.